Have you tried this viral healthy snack yet? Just a few ingredients to make this strawberry blueberry yogurt bark. It's a healthy frozen snack everyone is obsessed with right now. Let me show you how to make it in minutes. The ingredients we'll be using today from the brand Kind is healthy grain granola, almond butter flavored, dairy-free So Delicious vanilla yogurt, organic Greenwise crunchy peanut butter, organic strawberry and blueberry, and almond extract. For additional topping ideas, you can also add sliced almonds and chocolate chip. I'll first start by washing my fruits. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This is where we'll pour the yogurt mixture onto the tray and spread it evenly with a spatula. You want about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thickness so it freezes evenly. Grab a large mixing bowl to add the 24 ounces of vanilla yogurt. Then we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. The peanut butter adds richness and healthy fats, and the vanilla just levels up the flavor. Here's a tip: to make sure each bite is filled with the fruity flavor, cut up some small strawberries and blueberries to add into the mixture of the yogurt. Sprinkle your fresh strawberries and blueberries across the top. You can press it down lightly so it sticks into the yogurt. Now we level it up. Sprinkle in the Kind granola for crunch and add sliced almonds for texture. And finish it off with some vegan chocolate chip because balance. We're healthy here, but we're not boring. Place the tray into the freezer for about 2 to 4 hours, or until completely solid. Once it's frozen, you can use a knife to cut, or break it into pieces with your hands. That's why they call it bark. You don't need perfect slices. Wow, look at that. You get the creamy vanilla, fresh berries, crunchy granola, chocolate, and then peanut butter undertone. This is easily one of the best healthy frozen snacks you can keep in your freezer. It's high in protein, great for meal prep, no bake, dairy-free, and kid-friendly. Great for any time of the day. Store it into an airtight container in the freezer and grab pieces whenever your sweet tooth hits. If you're trying to eat healthier, but you still want to enjoy your food, this is a must-try recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves healthy sweet treats. I'll see you in the next one, warriors. God bless.